Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Yuktabel. In front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headline. So, first of all, fact checking the claims of a Green Soccer World Cup. Next, uneven privacy. Then we comes to page number 6 in that Band Baja Bharat returns with gusto. Next on page number 7 in that center may give tax soaps a pass in budget. Next, government glued to glide path may aim financial year 24 fiscal deficit at 5.8%. Next, input cost bite in quarter 2, but better days are coming. Next, COP27 deal delivers landmark on loss and damage but little else. Next, Skyroot plans 2 monthly rocket launches from 2025. Next, states fiscal deficit jumps by 78% after lockdown. RBI. Next, Employees Provident Fund body adds 1.68 million members in September. Next, foreign investors set up purchases of Indian equities in November. Next, Turkey bombs Kurdish militia in reprisal for Istanbul attack. Then next, Dr. Reddy's is now number 2 drug firm has old order changes. Next, in fresh firing round, Musk takes aim at Twitter sales team. Next, no interest in returning Trump. Then we comes to page number 8 on that much needed to be done to bolster our defenses. Next, state's fiscal deficit jumped by 78% after lockdown. RBI. Next, FPFO EF sorry, again I am repeating, EPFO adds 1.68 billion members in September. Next, cut income tax to revive demand. CII. Next, Chahbar attribution process taking shape. Then next, railway may consolidate all manufacturing ops under one company. Then next on page number 10 in that export duty rollback to boost local steel companies. Next, ONGC to reverse oil gas output decline. Next, facing backlash, firms offer benefit to fired employees. Next, introduce surety bond for public purchases. Then we comes to page number 11 in that bonds head into treacherous water has activity subsidies. Next, Wall Street chorchos of buy China calls in is getting louder. Next, what hides beneath UPI transaction data. Next, Balkrishna industry hits a slippery slope as European woes wait. Next, Licious may hit revenue of rupees 1.5 thousand crore in 12 months. Next, FPI invested rupees 30,385 crore in stocks in November. Next, Demat accounts up 41% to 1 million in October. Incremental addition drop. Next, net profit plugs to the lowest in 5 quarters on rising input cost. Then we comes to page number 12 in that fund flocks to PSBs on loan surge valuations. Next, Avindes eyes final close of its second structured credit fund at rupees 1000 crore. Next, NPCI in talk with RBI on UPI limit deadline. Then we comes to page number 13 on that EV battery unit OEMS scurry for certification. Next, no big tax initiatives likely in financial year 24 budget. Next, Dr. Reddy becomes second largest pharma company. Next, India may peg fiscal deficit for financial year 24 at about 5.8% of GDP. Next, COP27 delivers on damage fund. Next, no interest in retaining Trump. Next, Skyroots plans to monthly rocket launches from 2025. Then we comes to page number 14 in that India can become data capital of the world. Next, companies rises $414 million this week. Next, Shadowfax set to score EBITDA profit this financial year. Next, Zipper Peacock plans $120 million fourth domestic fund for new age startups. Then next, digital in healthcare and idea whom time has come to bridge the gaps. Then we comes to page number 15 in that Ukraine nuclear plant shelled. UN warns you are playing with fire. Next, DeSantis makes pitch to those looking to move from Trump. Next, TSMC founder says US welcomes chipmaker Arizona plant plan. Next, Malaysia nationalist bloc closer to reforming government. Next, UK debt bingy threatened to hunt its bond market for years. Next, 5 killed, 18 wounded in Colorado LGBTQ nightclub shooting. Next, Turkey bombs Kurdish militia in reprisal for Istanbul attack. Next, Beijing first COVID death since may rise fear of more cups. Next, Europe reasserts middle path on China, pushing back on US. Next, crypto banks Silvergate battles FTX condition fears stocks plugs. Then we comes to page number 16 in that land deals jump over threefolded to 68. Next, NCLAT allows Jindal to bid for Rathi. Next, panel offense may get out of GST law. Next, criticism against MBPS study in Hindi. Next, Kaddas Tarnished World Cup is too big for banned brands to boycott. Next, SUV market share to go up, Maruti Suzuki. Next, Surya Kumar gives India 1-0 series lead against New Zealand. Next, RHI Magnesita to buy the Lima unit. Next, auditor can advert financial misdoings. Next, bank follow RBI in rate increase. Next, government to curb fake reviews on websites. Then we comes to the page number 18 in that beating big on small caps helped Ayush Mittal reach dividend. Next, what earnings season surprises say about a stock. Next, what a personal loan cost you. Next, how will I taxed on sale of our joint project. Then we comes to page number 19 in that effective altruism is a useful way to go about giving back to society. Next, rescue retail investors from Abides influence. Next, how hypermolarity nearly bought Twitter Inc to renew. Then we comes to page number 20 on that the monetary tightening trap. We need an equitable approach. Next, Burberry British Heritage can help the group take on LVMH. Next, India is likely to push the G20 envelope on select issues. Then we comes to page 21 in that sorry but the company does not need you anymore. Next, the invaluable power of a simple to-do list. Next, how to spot and call out logical fallacy at workplace. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.